Hey everyone! If your Gmail contacts aren't syncing to your iPhone, you're probably getting super annoyed right now. But don't worry, I got you. I'm gonna walk you through a few quick fixes that'll get your contacts back in no time. Alright, first thing you're gonna want to do is check your internet connection. Sounds basic, but syncing needs either Wi-Fi or data. If you're offline, nothing's gonna happen. Next, go to Settings, scroll down, and tap on Apps. On this screen, scroll to Mail, then tap Mail Accounts. Choose your Gmail account. Now, right here, you gotta make sure the Contacts toggle is turned on. If it's off, that's probably the issue. If it's already on, go ahead and toggle it off. Wait a few seconds. Tap on Delete from my iPhone, then turn it back on. That simple refresh might fix the problem. Now go to Contacts app and pull down the screen to refresh the app. Now, if you've got more than one Contacts account, you're going to want to make Gmail the default. So go to Settings, scroll to Apps, tap on Contacts, then hit Default Account. Make sure Gmail is selected. Otherwise, your phone might be syncing to iCloud or something else instead. Still not working? No problem. Let's talk permissions. Go to a browser and log into your Google account. Head to Security or Permissions. I have Security option here, so you want to make sure iOS or Apple devices are allowed to access your contacts. If not, turn it on. Alright, if you've done all that and it's still not syncing, you might just need to remove your Gmail account and re-add it. I know it's a little extra, but sometimes it's gotta be done. Go back to Settings, scroll to Apps, then looking for Mail. After this, tap on Mail Accounts, and finally tap on your Gmail, hit Delete Account. Again, click on Delete from my iPhone to confirm, then re-add it like you did before. This gives your phone a fresh start with your Google data. Now, for those who like a more manual route, you can try syncing contacts using CardDAV. Just go to Settings, scroll to App Setting, next, scroll to Mail, and tap on the Mail Accounts. Add Account, tap Other, then add CardDAV account. Server is google.com, username is your Gmail address, password is your usual login, then tap Next. Boom. Manual sync setup. Once you've done all that, restart your iPhone. It clears out little bugs and gives everything a reset. Last step. Make sure your iPhone is up to date. Go to Settings, tap on the General, and select Software Update. If there's a new iOS version, you gotta install that. Sometimes updates fix weird syncing bugs. Alright, that's all the tricks I got for this one. If this helped, I'd really appreciate a like. Maybe drop a comment if you're still stuck. I'd like to help out if I can. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.